Gonna be for the Patreon members. I actually got a message on my Patreon today and yesterday about a new Patreon or about 2 new Patreon members joining, and actually recently been getting a lot of messages just on where to find the settings for my indicators, where to grab them. Everything is on the Patreon. I mean, you guys need to go on the website or on like mobile or on your PC and look for the pinned comment in the Patreon, right? I mean, you'll be able to find the settings for this, and then also go to Patreon. There's going to be a link there that will take you to the How to Trade playlist on my YouTube, right? And you can only grab that playlist. You can only see that playlist from Patreon, right? It's a private playlist, and you need a link to it, right? So once you guys get that, go through the full video set, right? Look at everything, study, and then you guys can start like trading, right? This isn't like, oh, I'm gonna watch one video and that's it. No, these are a lot of videos that you gotta watch, and you gotta go through, and you gotta study before you actually start trading, right? There's a lot of different strategies for different things that you want to do. You can't day trade and swing trade under the same strategy, right? Or if you want to do just weekly, like if you want to just buy shares for long term, then here you go, right? All you're doing is looking at the weekly indicators that I built, right? And you're buying on these bull triggers. This little red dot here, you would have entered here at 434 on SPY, right? You would have entered here, right? On 408 on SPY. You would have entered here, right? At 397 on SPY. You would have entered here on 373 on SPY after that huge full 6-month drop, right? You would have kept buying here, right? On 444. You would have added more shares here at 415. You would have added more shares here at 389. So again, if all you're looking for shares, it's a completely different strategy on what specifically to what you want to do. So please, if you're a Patreon member, go to the Patreon, go to the comment that's pinned, look through those videos, add the indicators, and then watch the How to Trade playlist on YouTube, because that's gonna be all removed, and I'm gonna switch all that over into a new website. So go look at it before it's all gone. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.